Unpacking the phrase, to cash in, a guide to its meanings and uses. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, to cash in. Whether you're a language enthusiast or sharpening your English skills, understanding idiomatic expressions like this one can be both fun and useful. So, let's unlock the various meanings of to cash in together. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be able to use this phrase like a native speaker. When we look at the phrase, to cash in, literally, it involves the action of exchanging something for its cash value. For instance, if you have a voucher or a check, you go to the bank or relevant authority to cash it in. That means you're getting the actual money in exchange for that piece of paper. Beyond the literal meaning, to cash in is often used in a more figurative sense. It can describe situations where someone takes advantage of an opportunity or situation, often to gain a benefit or profit. For example, an author might cash in on their sudden popularity by releasing a new book. A person might be accused of cashing in on a friend's success by asking for favors. In these contexts, cashing in can sometimes have a negative connotation, suggesting opportunism or exploiting a situation. In business and finance, cashing in can have a very specific meaning. It often refers to liquidating an investment or asset for money. For example, an investor may cash in their shares when they sell them for a profit. In the context of retirement, a person may cash in their pension by taking the lump sum option instead of monthly payments. This use of the phrase is very common and carries no negative connotation. It is simply a transaction. Sometimes, to cash in can appear in more colloquial or cultural contexts, such as, in sports, a team may cash in on a penalty kick, meaning they take the opportunity to score. In gaming, a player might cash in their in-game currency or rewards for special items or bonuses. Understanding these varied uses can help you grasp the nuances of English as it's spoken in different areas of life. I hope this exploration of the phrase, to cash in, has been enlightening. As you can see, English idiomatic expressions can have literal, figurative, and context-specific meanings. Remember, the key to mastering these phrases is not just to memorize their definitions but to see them in action. So, try to listen for to cash in movies, shows, or conversations, and use it when the moment is right. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.